In today's video, I'll be showing you two ways on how to power down your Samsung Galaxy S23. Now you can swipe down to access quick settings, and in quick settings, please swipe down again until you see the power button. Tap on that and you'll be brought to the power off menu. However, you can also do this. You can hold and press on the side key. As you can see, mine hasn't brought up the power off menu. So to change that, simply go to settings, then scroll down to advanced features. Now under advanced features, select side key. And here you should see press and hold. So what you want to do is select power off menu. This is so that when you press and hold on the side key, the power off menu will appear. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.